Okay, so guys, are you all able to hear me and see me well? A very warm welcome to all of you. I am so excited to be here, and we are going to talk about Zero to Hero series, and the topic is sequence and series. Okay, so I hope everybody is ready for this, because sequence and series, my dear children, is a very interesting topic. Okay, so as you can see here, we are going to revise sequence and series with respect to JEE Mains. I'm going to teach you how to solve questions and how to approach problems based on your sequence and series important topics. Okay, hello Shreyas, welcome man. Hello Kirito, welcome. So Kirito is having a great time learning Japanese. So that is a one-piece dialogue, isn't it? Fantastic. Okay, so Cyrus, welcome man. I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. I hope you guys are also fine. Ammu is also here. Welcome Ammu. Nirmal, welcome Nirmal. Fantastic. Great to see all of you. So people, let's get started. Before we go into the session, I will quickly introduce myself for all the dear students who are seeing me for the very first time. So people, my name is Shimon Joseph and I teach mathematics at Vedantu, and I teach for the JEE Mains and JEE Advanced level. Okay, to talk about my background, so I did my B.Tech from IIT Madras. That's because, like you guys, a few years back, I also prepared for many exams. I prepared for KVPY and I cleared it. I prepared for JEE Mains and I was one of the state toppers in Tamil Nadu. And after I got into teaching, I have guided so many students to top IITs, BITS Pilanis, NITs and so on. So that is why I'm here. I want you guys to reach your goal, whatever you have in your mind. Okay. Hello Karthi, welcome man. Sashwita, very nice to see you Sashwita, welcome. Yash is also here. Karan, Kirti Haran, fantastic. So nice to see all of you. So people, let's get started with this amazing session. But before that, in case you want to talk to me, in case you want to ask me your doubts, sir, I want your mentorship, I want guidance from you, you can message me on Instagram. So this is my Instagram ID. I'm very active over there. So I definitely would respond to everybody. Got it? No Mauli Chippada. I am from Tamil Nadu, man. So I wrote only JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, BITS Pilani exam, which is BITSAT. And then I wrote KVPY. So these are the exams which I wrote. I didn't write anything apart from this. Got it? Yes. Vanakkam Nirmal. Welcome. Saravanan, Somesh. Fantastic. Saravanan, I am in Chennai, man. I am in Chennai right now. So people, let's get going. Let's not divert from the topic because it is going to be a super fast, super cool session where I teach you some of the most important questions which have come in this year's JEE Mains. Okay. So people, I hope everybody, especially from South, especially from Tamil Nadu, Kerala, you guys have voted today because today is election day. And now you are all below 18 years. Yes, guys, I have done my job. So you guys are all below 18 years. So you cannot vote in the election. But don't worry, Vedantu has taken care of you because we have the Vedantu online talent examination going on right now. So if you want to vote, then you have 5 more days to go, which is April 11th. So April 11th, I want everybody to go and write your vote examination. Because guys, this is not just an examination, but it is a comeback. Why it is a comeback? Because last year you may have had a difficult time. You had online studies at school and you had Zoom classes. You did not take them seriously. The examinations were online, so you did not give it in a very sincere manner. So that will take an effect, that will take a toll on your score the next year. So we cannot afford that. That is why you need to make a comeback, and you can do that with the vote that is planned for you. Okay, Satyam, welcome man. My name is Shimon Joseph. So I teach mathematics at Vedantu. Okay, so there are 2 exams which are already over. Now you have the April 11th to be the 3rd V.O.T.E exam. I have pinned the message on the chat. So if you guys want to vote, please register. Okay, yes, Mohammad Irfan, I will talk about the crash course also, because I want you all to realize the importance of crash course, especially at this time. You have only 2 more attempts, April attempt and May attempt. If you do well in that, maybe you will get into an NIT and you can give Vedantu one chance, because the amount of money that you pay is just 6,000, which is very reasonable in my opinion for the quality of teachers you get, for the quality of education you get, for the online mode which is super effective and engaging at Vedantu. Okay, so please do check it out. Use the crash course at Vedantu, reach your goal, reach great heights, and you will do well. Okay, fantastic. So this is all about V.O.T.E. I hope you guys got it. Now coming to our channel. So our channel, we have Enthuse over here. So people, this is an English speaking channel, and that is why you see I am talking in English, and this is primarily meant for all the people who want to learn in English. Got it? So if you like it, do subscribe to our channel. We come up with very good series for 10th standard students, for 11th standard students, for 12th standard students. Okay, so for all 3 of you, we will continuously take sessions. So please do support us, spread the word, share it with your friends, and we would love to hear from you. We would love to grow this family. Okay, exactly, Satyam. Satyam, in that case, do register for V.O.T.E, give the exam and see what happens from there. Because V.O.T.E is not just an exam. It will give you a lot of scholarships. It will give you a lot of gift if you get a good score, and it will give you a performance report of how much you are getting in each subject and where you are standing. Because we have been in this field for a very long time, we know how to analyze the student's performance. We will clearly tell you where you should work, which area you should focus on. Like that, you will get a complete report, and it is free of cost. So please do register. You make the best use of it. That is what I would recommend. Got it? Fantastic, Chandrasekhar. So guys, do like the video in case you enjoy it. Now let's get started. Are you guys ready? Yes, of course, Anish, because this is sequence and series, man, come on. It is 11th standard topic, so you can obviously see it, and you will have to probably solve the questions also. I would expect you to solve it. Okay, so are you guys ready? Can you all give me a yes or a yo in the chat quickly? Everybody, fantastic Shreyas, fantastic Kirito, Satyam, Manjunath, welcome Manjunath, so nice to see you. Vanakkam Karthi Subramani, welcome man. Don't worry Ankit, take it slow, be very consistent, slowly you can improve and do well in life. Okay, so here we go people. The very first question is based on the concept of arithmetic progression. So I want to teach you guys all about AP. Now AP is nothing but arithmetic progression, and you guys have been studying it right from your 10th standard. So something very simple and easy, I would say. Okay, so let me give you an example of AP. What is an AP? It is gonna be something like this: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this is an example of AP. Why? Because the difference of any 2 consecutive terms is always a constant. So you see the difference of 4 and 2 is 2, 6 and 4 is 2, 8 and 6 is 2, 10 and 8 is 2. So whenever the difference of 2 consecutive terms is a constant, you call it to be an AP. So this is an example, but if you want to write it in general term, you will write it like this. So this is how we write an AP. The starting term is always denoted by small a, and the second term is a plus d, where d is called as the common difference. Exactly, Mansi, you are absolutely right. So d is the common difference, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, and the last term, which is the nth term. The nth term will be given as first term plus n minus 1 times of common difference. So that is how that is how we write the nth term of an AP. Got it? Absolutely correct. What are the important things you should know? You should know nth term, you should know sum of an AP, and you should know what is the condition for ABC to be in AP. If ABC are in AP, we know that B minus A should be equal to C minus B because common difference is the same. Therefore, I will get 2B is equal to A plus C. So this is the condition for 3 terms to be in an AP. So this is all you need to know when you talk about arithmetic progression. If you know this, you are good to go. You will do well in JEE Mains. I can guarantee you. For AP, this is all you guys should know. So if you have any problem in what I wrote here, you can ask me. I will help you out. Okay? And guys, if you want to learn it in detail, do check out the crash course offered by Vedantu. I am telling you again and again and again, because this is the last chance. Don't come and join at the last moment. Okay? Now, yesterday the crash course started, so you just missed one class. That class recording also you will get it. So I would say go for it because you have 2 months. Join the crash course, make the best use of it. It can increase your percentile by 20, 30 and all. There were people who got 99 percentile from the crash course alone. So it is possible. Do check it out when you get time. Okay. Now answering all your questions. In the meantime, others, please make a note of it. Whatever I have shown you on the screen. How much did I score in 12th board exam math? I scored 99 Sparsh. I made a very bad mistake because of which I lost 1 mark. So I got 99 in mathematics and overall I got 477 out of 500. Okay. And Ankit, I will start the Pathfinder series the coming week. Okay. Shreyas sir has already started, but I will start it a bit late because I am currently doing trigonometry. So I don't want to stop that. Got it? So once we complete trigonometry, Ankit, I will start off with 12th standard portion, and don't worry, like I promised, I will take care of you guys. Is that clear? Yes, Bhargav, especially the 11th standard portions, you guys can definitely watch the Zero to Hero series. Yes, Nirmal, I studied in CBSE for my 12th standard. Okay. So people, are you all clear? Shall I move forward? Everybody is fine with this? Everybody is cool with this? The first slide, whatever I have written, I explained it to you. What is an AP? How is a general AP written? What is the nth term? What is sum of n terms of an AP? What is the condition for 3 terms in AP? I hope everybody is clear. If anybody has a doubt, feel free to ask. We will debate it out. We will talk it out. Everybody seems to understand it. Fantastic, people. So now let's move forward to some problem solving. So this is the first question I have for all of you. Please try it out. It is a good question. And where was it asked? Am I giving you Laddu questions? No. I am giving you exactly JEE Mains questions only, so that you are ready to tackle anything of this level. So that you guys are ready to tackle anything of this level. So please try it out. Once you guys are done trying, I will solve it for you. Okay. So S1 is the sum of 2n terms of an arithmetic progression. S2 is the sum of 4n terms. So what is S1? S1 is equal to 2n by 2 into a plus n minus 1 times of d. N minus 1 will be 2n minus 1 because there are 2n terms, right? And what is S2? S2 is nothing but 4n by 2 into a plus 4n minus 1 times of d. So that is your S1 and S2. Now if you subtract it, what is S2 minus S1? S2 minus S1 is equal to 1000. Now you need to use this information and solve it. Very good, Mansi. Mansi, you are awesome. That is absolutely right. Kirti Haran is also right. What about the others? I want everybody to write it. See how easy it is now. It is such an easy question. I just wrote the formula which I gave you in the previous slide. I wrote S1, I wrote S2, and I just subtract them, I will get S2 minus S1. Understood? Are you all cool with it? Fantastic, people. So what is S2 minus S1? Can you guys help me with that? What is S2 minus S1? Everybody. What is S2 minus S1? Everybody think about it and do let me know what is the difference. Very good, Kirito. Exactly, Bhargav. Hello, Vignesh. This is the very first question, Vignesh. So you're not late. Don't worry. Hello, Sugda. Very good evening, Sugda. Welcome. Fantastic, fantastic, Hariharan. Hariharan, you are absolutely correct. Okay. So guys, this is 2a, right? I hope everybody remembers that. Nobody pointed it out. I don't know why nobody pointed it out. The sum of n terms is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 times d. I hope everybody remembers that. So when I take the difference, what will I get? S2 minus S1. I will get, this will be 4an minus, this will be what? This will be 2an. So it will be 2an. Then you'll have what? You will have 2n going inside. So 2n into this. So it will be 8n square minus 2n times of d minus, this will be what? N. So it will be minus of 2n square minus n times of d. So that is the difference. So when I take the difference, what will I get? So I will get S2 minus S1 is equal to 2an. This is n, guys. Okay, a into n. Then if I take n common from here and if I subtract it, I will get plus 6n square, right? 6n square minus nd, right? Minus nd, and d will be common to both. That's it. Take n common. So if I take n common, what will I get? So S2 minus S1 is equal to n into 2a plus 6n minus 1 times of d. So it is very similar to S6n, right? So if I want to bring S6n, I should multiply by 6 and divide by 2. Okay, so I should multiply this by 6 and divide by 2. So that will be the answer, because this expression what I have over here is nothing but S6n. Okay, the sum of first 6n terms. So it is half S 1 by 2 into 6 times of S2 minus S1. So it is nothing but 3 times of S2 minus S1. What is S2 minus S1? S2 minus S1 is 1000. So it will be 3 into 1000. So the answer is 3000. I hope you all have got it. Okay. Did you all understand it, my dear children? I have done it step by step so that everybody understands it. Guys, please write down along with me. If you just watch me solve, you will get confused. You will be like, sir, what did you write here, sir? What did you write here, sir? What did you do, sir? How did you get 6 by 2? Those questions will come. Okay. So please write with me. When you attend my classes, come with a pen. You should come with a pen and a book, and you should write it down along with me so that you understand every step. Got it? So I manipulated S2 minus S1 in such a way that on the right hand side, I bring S6n. I bring S6n. S6n means what? The sum of first 6n terms. That is nothing but 6n by 2 into 2a plus 6n minus 1 times of d. I wanted to bring this. So when I want to bring this, the left hand side I need to have 6 by 2 on the outside. So that will be 3 times of S2 minus S1. That is why the answer is 3000. Yes, everybody got it. I hope all of you are cool with it. Did you like this question? Was it a good one? So JEE Mains questions are very interesting, right? I hope you all enjoyed it. Now if you are okay, we will move forward. Give me a thumbs up, give me a yo in the chat. Okay. Very good, Ankit. That is fantastic, Ankit. That will definitely help you a lot. Okay. No, Yash, we are not given that much information. Okay, so let's move forward. So Yash is asking, can we find A and N separately? No, we are not given that many information. We just have to manipulate and get the answer. Very good, Sana Ali. Very good, Somesh. Fantastic, Saumit. So looks like everybody has got it. Guys, I have attached the solution. So even if you did not understand or follow, you can go through it later on by downloading the PDF in our Telegram group. So do join the Telegram group so that you get the PDF with the solutions. Now, on to the next one. What is a GP? A GP is nothing but geometric progression. So how does a GP look like? A GP looks like this: 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So what is the speciality of a GP? The speciality of a GP is the ratio of two consecutive terms will always be a constant. The ratio of 8 by 4 is 2, 16 by 8 is also 2, 32 by 16 is also 2. So the ratio of two consecutive terms will always be a constant. Only then you call it to be a geometric progression. Are you all clear with it? Fantastic, Mansi, you are right. Hello Nisha, welcome. Rock Satvik, no problem man. We are just starting off with the basics of geometric progression. You can definitely be a part of this session. Got it? So this is an example, my dear students. But if I want to write it in general form, I will write it like this. The first term is called A because that is the common notation that we use. The second term is AR, where R is the common ratio, which is multiplied to every term. So this is how a geometric progression will look like in general term. Okay, now the last term is AR to the power n minus 1. That is called as the nth term. So nth term is first term into common ratio raised to the power n minus 1. So that is an important formula. I expect you to remember this. Then what else should you know? You should know the sum of a GP up to n terms, and you should know sum of an infinite GP, and you should also know the condition for 3 terms in a GP. Okay. So if you have A, B, C in GP, what does that mean? If A, B, C are in GP, that means B by A ratio should be equal to C by B, because in a GP, the ratio is equal. So I will get B square is equal to AC. So that is how this condition comes. I hope you all understood it. Okay. Now, sum of a GP. Sum of a GP is A into R to the power n minus 1 by R minus 1. When you have sum up to n terms, sum up to n terms, where n is a finite number. But if you have an infinite GP, what is an infinite GP? For example, if you have 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 16, that is called as an infinite GP, my dear students. That is called as an infinite GP. So when you have an infinite GP, the sum is found out by this formula. So if I apply for that, I will get S infinity is equal to A is the first term, which is 1, by 1 minus common ratio is 1 by 2. So the answer is 2. So the sum of this infinite GP is nothing but 2, my dear students. Are you all clear? Jinesh, it is both for 11th and 12th standard students, man. I will discuss some good questions. If you are able to follow, please do listen. And you can also ask doubts if you have. Okay. Now, I will tell you one common misconception here. Okay. So, let us say you have a GP 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on, all the way up to infinity. Now, guys, can I say this is an infinite GP? Can I say this is an infinite GP? Yes or no? Absolutely yes. It is an infinite GP. But can I use this formula? Can I use this formula? No. No. Why? Because R over here is equal to 2. So here, to use this formula, my modulus of R should be less than 1. Modulus of 2 is equal to 2, which is greater than 1. So I cannot use this formula. Then you can ask me, then what will happen here, sir? What is the sum? How do I calculate? Guys, this is called as a diverging GP. Diverging means what? It keeps growing and growing and growing and growing and growing. It reaches great values. So the sum of this GP, my dear students, will be infinity only. Did you understand that? The sum of this itself will anyway be infinity. So it is not a big problem. You don't have to find out the sum. Are you all clear with it? Did you all like it? Fantastic. Yes, Sakshi, I will teach you VN method. I will teach you AGP, everything in this class. You have to be patient. You have to follow me. Got it? Nisha, don't worry, Nisha. I will teach you in a very easy manner so that you guys can understand what is AGP and what is method of differences. Got it? So let's move forward to solve some questions based on GP. So everybody try to solve it. Come on, guys. Okay, so this is my next question again from JEE Mains February attempt. So this is JEE Mains Feb 2021. Everybody try to solve it. And guys, like I said, if you want to ask doubts, Mansi, you can message me over here. This is my Instagram ID. I am very active there. I respond to everybody almost in a day. Okay, so you can message me over there, Mansi. If you don't have Instagram, you let me know. I will give you my email ID. So my email ID is so that's my email ID. Got it? So Bhargav and Mansi, you guys can email me over here and I will reply to all of you. Okay, AK, that's fantastic. Akash says it was his shift question. Don't worry, I will solve it, Akash. Nice. Definitely, Ankit, we will plan it out. Don't worry. So people, let's try to have a look at it. 4 numbers are in GP whose sum is 65 by 12. So I can take the 4 numbers as A, AR square and AR power 4 or AR power 3. Okay. So these are the 4 numbers and we know that their sum A plus AR square plus AR cube is equal to 65 by 12. Are you all cool with it? So this is the sum of the first 4 numbers. Now the sum of their reciprocals is 65 by 18. So what is the reciprocal of this? 1 by A. The reciprocal of this will be 1 by AR. The reciprocal of this is 1 by AR square. And the last one reciprocal is 1 by AR cube. Now that is equal to 65 by 18. Is that right, everybody? Now what can I do? I can take LCM over here. So if I take LCM for this, what will happen? Can you guys help me with it? So LCM will be AR cube. So I will get R cube plus R square plus R plus 1 is equal to 65 by 18. Are you all okay with it? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide 1 divided by 2. So what will be 1 divided by 2? 1 divided by 2, right hand side will be 18 by 12 because 65 and 65 will get cancelled. And if I take A common, I will get 1 plus R square plus R cube, which will get cancelled with this part. So what will I get? This denominator will come to the top, so it will be AR cube. So I will get A square R cube is equal to 3 by 2. Because 6 tables I can cancel it off. So till here, did you all understand it? Till here, did you all understand it? Everybody cool with it? I didn't do anything great. Okay. So when you're talking about natural numbers, we always call divisors to be positive. But when you say factors, you can have negative well met. Okay. Everybody cool with it? Electrifier says very easy. Fantastic. That's what I wanted. Now, product of first 3 terms is 1. So 1, 2, 3. These 3 product will be what? A into A into A. So it will be A cube. 1 into R square. So that will be R cube. So this is equal to 1. So A cube, R cube equal to 1. That means AR is equal to 1. Got it? Everybody clear? So A cube R cube is equal to 1. Now here we know A square R cube is equal to 3 by 2. So let me multiply by A both sides. So this will be A cube R cube. So we know a cube r cube is 1. So 1 is equal to 3 by 2a. So a is equal to 2 by 3. So I got a, and we know r is nothing but 1 by a. R is equal to 1 by a. So that will be 3 by 2. So I got a, I got r. So I can find out what is the third term. Third term is nothing but a r square. So it will be 2 by 3 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. A r square. This is a r r. So these two will cancel out. So the answer is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is the third term, which is alpha. So alpha is equal to 3 by 2. But we want 2 alpha. So 2 into 3 by 2 will be 3. So the answer finally is 3, my dear students. I hope everybody got it. Are you all clear? Everybody cool with it, guys? Fantastic. Very good, Mansi. Very good, Kirito. Fantastic, Vasant. Okay, I am so happy you guys have all understood it. Perfect. So let us move forward to the next one, guys. Okay. Yes, Mala Mohan, you can definitely do it in 1 year. Akshat, if you work hard, if you put your everything into it, you can definitely do it. Yes, Rajat, we will try to plan it out for sure. So this is the answer, guys. You can go through it later. Now let's proceed to the next question. So this is another question which came in March attempt. You see how many questions are asked from sequence and series. Why do you think I am doing this here? Why did I choose this topic? The reason I chose this topic is because I know this is a high weightage topic. Every session you get 1 or 2 questions from sequence and series. So you should give a lot of weightage to it. You should definitely try and spend some time on it. Okay. Yes, well met system. That's absolutely correct. If a is 0, we cannot multiply. But anyway, a is not 0, right? You got it to be 2 by 3. So it doesn't matter. Got it? And moreover, we have our terms where we are taking reciprocal, right? You are taking reciprocal and the sum is 65 by 18. So then how can a be 0? Got it? Yes, Akshat, I will try to do that, man. Myself and Shreyas sir love to motivate students. We will do that for you. Always remember, we are there to help you out. At any point of time, if you feel low, you can always message me on Instagram. You can ask me your personal doubts, your queries. I will try my best to help you. Okay? Can we take a by r cube, a by r, ar cube? Yes, Chandrasekhar, you can do that. But that will only make your life a bit difficult. Okay? That is not very useful, Chandrasekhar. We will take that when we have product, Chandrasekhar. Chandrasekhar, what you told, na? We will take that when you have product given to you. Because then r cube, r and r will get cancelled. So you will directly get a to the power 4. You understand? So that is why we take like that. But here sum is given, na, the previous question. So for sum, why do you want to do that? You don't have to do. Got it? Thank you, Akshat. So guys, I'm so happy everybody is following it. Now let me solve this question. Why is nobody answering me? Why is nobody answering me? Can you please let me know what is the answer for this? Everybody, please try to think about it. What do we have? We have 1 by 16 A and B to be in GP. So that means the product of extreme is equal to middle one square. So A square is equal to B by 16. I hope you are all clear with that. The next one is these three are in AP. So I can say twice the middle term is equal to 1 by A plus 6. Are you all cool with that? Everybody? Yes? Are you all fine with that? So here I can say B is equal to 16A square. Now I will do the same here. So I'll get 2 by B is equal to 6A plus 1 by A. Are you all fine with it? Yes? Did you guys get it? Now, what is B? B is equal to 2A divided by 6A plus 1. Now plug that over here. So you will get 2a divided by 6a plus 1 is equal to 16a square. And we know that a and b are greater than 0. So I can cancel 1a because a is not 0. Got it? Now what will we do? Okay, now what will we do? We'll have 2 is equal to 16. I can cancel 8 times, right? So I'll get 1 is equal to 8a into 6a, which is 48a square. 8a into 1, that will be 8a. So that's it. I will get 48a square plus 8a minus 1 is equal to 0. So now you guys have to solve this. So minus 48 you get, right? So you can factorize it. 48a square plus 12a minus 4a minus 1 is equal to 0. So I can take 12a common. So I'll get 4a plus 1 minus 1 times of 4a plus 1 is equal to 0. So I'll get a to be minus 1 by 4 or plus 1 by 12. A is positive. So the answer is 1 by 12. So a is 1 by 12. You guys can get the value of b from here. So if a is 1 by 12, this will be 1 by 144. So b will be equal to what? B will be equal to 1 by 8, I think. Is that 8? No, not 8, 9. 1 by 9. So b will be 1 by 9. So a you got, b you got. Now substitute it here and solve it. So it is 72 times a plus b. So 1 by 12 plus 1 by 9. So it will be 6 plus 8. Answer is 14. Did anybody get 14? Kirti Haran is right. Hare Krishna, Hare Rama is absolutely right. What about others? Mansi, small mistake Mansi, but no problem. I hope you all have understood it. Nirmal, beginning step. I told you now, Nirmal, if you have ABC to be in GP, then B square is equal to AC, right? That's what I have done. Very good, Ankit. Very good, Rajkumar. Very good, Chandrasekhar. So the first step, Nirmal, you have these 3 terms to be in GP, right? So whenever you have 3 terms in GP, like ABC in GP, I told you, right, the condition is AC equal to B square. I am asking you questions exactly based on what I taught you. I am not doing anything extra. So that is why I wrote 1 by 16 into B is equal to middle term square, A square. That's exactly what I've done. Same way here also. So if you have 3 terms in AP, we know that twice the middle term is equal to sum of the extreme terms. So twice the middle term will be 2 by B is equal to 1 by A plus 6. So these are the 2 things I started my solving with. I then eliminated B and I solved it, as simple as that. Very good, Monkey D. Luffy. Kirito, fantastic. Ranjit. Yes, Ranjit, you can say that. You can take the AP to be K plus D, K minus D, K. But that's not the right order, Ranjit. You have to take A minus D, A and A plus D. Something like this you can take, but not for this question, Ranjit. In this question, it does not help. In this question, it does not help. Okay. Yes, Mala Mohan, that does not matter. Very good, Jugal. Very good, Shreyas. Fantastic. Hello, Shri Varshan. Welcome, man. Divyansh, welcome. So let's move forward. Hello, Aradhya. Welcome. The next one is harmonic progression. So surprisingly, we did not have many questions coming from harmonic progression in this year. Okay, so usually they ask questions from harmonic progression. Either 1 or 2 questions will come. But this year, not many questions came from this. But anyway, I wanted to explain it because everybody is so excited to learn HP. Okay, but guys, HP is actually very simple. Many people don't realize that. Because guys, HP is nothing but reciprocal of an AP. Okay, so for example, if you have 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 8, this is said to be HP. Do you all agree? Yes, absolutely, this is an HP. Why? Because if I take the reciprocal, this will be in AP. So guys, HP is not defined on its own. Rather, it is defined with the help of AP. Okay. HP is not defined on its own, rather it is defined with the help of AP. So you look at it here, a sequence whose reciprocals of each term is in AP. That is how HP is defined. Okay, sum of HP does not exist. Whatever you see online in internet, that is just an approximation. Okay, sum of HP is not defined. We don't have a formula for that. Okay. Yes, Ranjit, I will teach you everything. I will teach you AM, GM, HM inequality. I will teach you AGP. I will teach you method of differences. Everything will happen. Please wait for some time. I will cover everything. Got it? Now, this is how an HP looks like. 1 by A, 1 by A plus D, 1 by A plus 2D, and all the way up to 1 by A plus N minus 1 times D. Because when I reciprocate it, what I get will be an arithmetic progression. So if you have 3 terms in HP, let's say you have A, B, C to be in HP, I know that their reciprocals will be in AP. So their reciprocals will be in AP. Because if A, B, C are in HP, the reciprocal will be in AP. If the reciprocals are in AP, then can I say twice the middle term will be equal to sum of the extreme terms? Absolutely yes. So that is a condition given here. That is a condition given over here. Are you all clear with this? Everybody? Fantastic people. Very good, Chaitanya, that's correct. And the nth term of an HP is given by this formula. You can maybe note it down. But guys, not many questions come from here, so don't worry about it. We will move forward to the next one. Now this is a very, very important part. Okay, now you have to pay attention. I will teach you very slowly because I want you guys to be 100% thorough in this particular part. Okay, let us say you have 2 terms of a sequence A and B which are positive numbers. Got it? So if you want to find the arithmetic mean of A and B, it is A plus B by 2. That is how arithmetic mean is defined. So arithmetic mean is nothing but average. Arithmetic mean is nothing but average of the 2 numbers. What is geometric mean? Geometric mean is nothing but the product of the numbers raised to the power 1 by number of terms. This is geometric mean, which is nothing but square root of AB. What is harmonic mean? Harmonic mean is nothing but number of numbers divided by 1 by A plus 1 by B. So this is your HM. So that will be given as 2AB by A plus B. So this is how you find out AM, GM and HM for 2 numbers. Are you clear with this? Guys, I did not come to the inequality part. Please wait. Please wait. Hello, Adza Rajashekar, welcome. Okay, so guys, I will come to the inequality part, but now I want everybody to listen to what I have written over here and tell me whether you have understood it. Did you understand how I calculate arithmetic mean for 2 numbers, geometric mean for 2 numbers, and harmonic mean for 2 numbers? I hope you guys understood it. Everybody? Yes, Adza, there is a relation. So now Chaitanya was saying something for a long time. I want everybody to listen to this. Now guys, what is AM into HM? Can you guys help me with that? So AM is what? It is nothing but A plus B by 2, and HM is what? 2AB by A plus B. So A plus B I can cancel. 2 and 2 I can cancel. So this is nothing but AB. So can I say AB is nothing but geometric mean square? So that is the relation which Chaitanya was talking about. AM into HM is equal to GM square. So you guys can remember it. Okay. So you can say that your AM, GM and HM are in geometric progression. They are all in geometric progression. It is a very nice result. You can keep that in your mind. You can keep that in your mind. Are you all okay with it? Did you like how we derived it very easily? Did you all enjoy it? Yes, Nirmal, I will teach you telescopic summation as well. Fantastic. So now I will remove this. Now I'll teach you something even more important, which is AM of n numbers. Let us say you have n numbers, A1, A2, A3 till AN. So for n numbers, how do you find arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean is nothing but the average of all of them. So it is nothing but sum of all of them divided by total number of terms. But when you have geometric progression, how do you find GM? GM of n terms will be the product of all of them. The product of all of them raised to the power 1 by number of terms. That is geometric mean. No Chaitanya, I am not inserting means. That is not important right now. I am talking about a single arithmetic mean, a single geometric mean that we find. Got it? Now harmonic mean for n numbers will be n divided by 1 by A1 plus 1 by A2 plus 1 by A3 all the way up to 1 by AN. So that is how you find geometric mean and harmonic mean. Is that okay, guys? Yes, Ranjit, I will speed up, man. The reason I'm going slow is I want everybody to understand. That's the whole point, Ranjit. Okay. Are you all clear with this? Yes, Mansi, this is important for KVPY as well. Very good, guys. I'm so happy that you all have understood it. Now I will show you what is AM, GM and HM. So I hope now you guys are clear. Let's move forward. So I have given you for 2 terms. I have given you for n terms. So is that clear, everybody? Did you like it? So these are all formulas which I will give you in the PDF of today's class. Please download it and go through it when you have time. Okay. So now coming to AM, GM, HM inequality. So the inequality says that your arithmetic mean is always greater than or equal to geometric mean is always greater than or equal to harmonic mean. So that means if you have 2 positive numbers, then a plus b by 2 is greater than or equal to root ab is greater than or equal to 2 by 1 by a plus 1 by b. And if you have n terms, a1 plus a2 till an by n is greater than or equal to a1, a2, a3 till an raised to the power 1 by n is greater than or equal to n divided by 1 by a1 plus 1 by a2 all the way up to 1 by an. So this is how you use AM, GM, HM inequality. Are you all clear with that? Everybody? And guys, equality will occur when all of them are equal. So for example, if A and B are equal, then equality will occur. You have a look at it. Similarly here, equality will occur when A1 is equal to A2 is equal to A3 is equal to AN. If all of them are equal, then equality will occur. Are you all clear with it, my dear students? Everybody? Yes? Yes, Surbit Patyal, this is good for NDA as well. Brilliant, guys. So that is what I have given you here. Equality will occur if all of them are equal, or in general, arithmetic mean is always greater than geometric mean, greater than harmonic mean. But guys, please remember one important thing. It is applicable only for positive numbers. AM, GM, HM inequality is applicable only for positive numbers. Please be very careful with that. Okay. Now let's try to apply it in questions. This was a very good application which was asked in JEE Mains. Very easy if you know AM, GM inequality. You guys will solve this question in 2 minutes or even less than that. Some of you will do it in even 1 minute. What is the use of inequality? You will get +4 marks in this question. Got it? So that is the immediate use of this inequality, but it has a lot of great applications to prove a lot of inequalities. Okay. For now, you can use it to solve this question, and you will see because of this powerful inequality, you can solve this question in under 30 seconds if you are good. Very good, my dear children. Fantastic. Ankit, you cannot say B or C, man. Come on, this is not multiple choice question. Okay, it is only one option. Yes, AK, I did take JEE Advanced sessions on JEE channel. So I was part of that channel before in 2018 and 2019. Okay, much before you guys came into 11th and 12th. But anyway, we'll solve it now, guys. Come on. So I want minimum value of this plus this. So first of all, a to the power ax, do you all agree it is an exponential function? I will tell you how to solve it. See, now everybody got the answer. You're all happy. You got +4. So be happy, that's fine. But now understand the conceptual way of solving it. Because what you guys did is, directly you put in the values, you got the answer. It is correct, I'm not saying it's wrong, but understand the concept part of it. Because they can trap you here. They can trap you here. What is the concept part? A to the power ax is an exponential function. And guys, exponential functions are always positive. Similarly, this is also exponential function. And we know exponential functions are always positive. That is why they gave a greater than 0. So because I know that this is greater than 0, this is greater than 0, both are positive, and I am asked minimum value of sum. I will tell you the hint. Chaitanya is asking, sir, how to get the idea that I have to use AMGM inequality? The idea is two things. First one is the numbers are positive. That is the first biggest hint that you have to use AMGM inequality. The second hint is minimum value of a sum will be asked, or maximum value of a product will be asked. These are the two hints that you should look out for before you apply AMGM inequality. Got it? So now in this question, minimum value of a sum is asked and the numbers are positive. So two hints are clear. That is why I use AMGM inequality. So what is the AM of these two numbers? The AM of these two numbers is this particular value. Now that should be greater than or equal to square root of the product of both of them. What is the product of both of them? It is nothing but A. The product of both of them is nothing but A. So I will get the sum to be greater than or equal to 2 root A, because I can take this 2 and multiply it to the other side. That is how we solve it. Did you all like it? And that is why the answer is option C, my dear children. If you have any doubts or any questions that you want to ask, please put forth. I will take care of it. Can I differentiate to find minima? Yes, you can do that as well. So many of you are asking, sir, can I use calculus to find the minimum value? Yes, but my dear students, please understand that will take a lot of time. Okay, that will take a lot of time. Got it? Thank you, Dhanush. I'm so happy you got it. Fantastic people. So with that, let's proceed to the next one. I hope you guys are all fine with it. Now, before we go to the next part, which is arithmetic geometric progression, AGP, something you guys have been waiting for, I wanted to talk about the crash course at Vedantu. So many of you are in your final phase of preparation. You have only 2 attempts. You have the April attempt and you have the May attempt. Guys, you can definitely make a difference in your percentile by making use of this crash course, because you have 45 days of teaching in which we will cover all the important topics. I will also be there. I will also teach a few chapters. And we will give you tests. We will give you assignments and class notes which are very specific to JEE Mains. And all our test series are based on the current pattern, and it will be very similar to the actual exam. So if you want everything for a price of 6,000, which is mind-blowing, yes, Kirti Haran, it will be in English. It will be in English. So in case you want to be a part of this crash course, I have given you the link in the description of this video, and also in the chat you can check it out. This is my coupon code. because the original price was 10,000. If you use my coupon code, you will get it at 6,000. So I would say, guys, if you are a serious aspirant, sir, I want to improve from 80 percentile to 95. Guys, I would highly recommend this. Just go and register yourself. 6,000 for all the 3 subjects, along with test series, along with assignments, along with class notes, is a mind-blowing deal. Okay, this price you will not get anywhere. You want the JEE Advanced Crash Course? Advanced Crash Course will start a bit late, Sanket. I will definitely let you know. You can follow me on Instagram. You can message me there and I will send you the link once it is ready. Got it? So guys, the crash course for JEE Mains, I have put it up in the description. Below this video, just click it. You will get the link to join the crash course. Do it today because the last batch, the latest batch started yesterday. Okay, the latest batch started yesterday. So yesterday only the class started. So you can join today without fail. Got it? So shall we move forward? I hope everybody is clear. In case someone wants to know more about it, you can message me here. That is my personal account. I will help you. Roni Raj, the lower your percentile, let's say 30 percentile, 40 percentile, 50 percentile, it is easy to increase it to 80, 90. I have told you this already. If you get 60, 40, 50 percentile, you can very easily go to 90 percentile and above, because lower percentile to 90 is not that difficult, but 90 to 95, 90 to 99, that is difficult. That is not easy. Okay, Karan Sharma, no man, the stream is not over. We will continue to solve right now. And which batch do you teach? So Jinesh, I was teaching the toppers batch last year and the year before that and the year before that. But this year I will teach one of the long-term batches which will start probably in 1 month's time. Got it? So right now I just finished my toppers batch of 11th and 12th standard. But this year I will take a long-term batch of pro subscription. So if you want to be in my class, you have to be in the pro subscription. I hope you guys will do that. Got it? 100 percentile. Kirti Haran, it is possible, Kirti Haran. I will not say that it is difficult. Yes, Adza Rajashekar, you will get the recordings of the course. I will ask the moderator to share the link. You can click on that link and you can use my coupon code to join it, Adza. It is SJCC. Okay. So in the video description, right below this video, you will find the link to join the crash course. Please check it out later when you have time. Okay. So guys, finally we are here on to arithmetic geometric series. So what will you be asked? What question will they ask you? Guys, they will ask you to find out what is the sum of an AGP. What is the sum of an AGP? Okay. So we want to find what is the sum. 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 9 plus 4 by 27 and so on up to infinity. Okay. So please listen carefully to me. Got it? Very carefully I want you all to listen. Shri Varshan, I am GOAT. Don't worry. I will help you. Let's first finish the session and then we will talk about common things. Okay. Please don't worry about it. Don't panic. I am here to help you. But let's first complete the topic and then we will have a chit chat at the end. Okay. Now please pay attention. Whenever you have an AGP, what do you mean by that? Okay. What is AGP? AGP means you have arithmetic geometric progression. Okay. Why do we call it AGP? Because if you look at it here, my dear students, 1, 2, 3, 4, they are in AP. Are you all clear with that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you all agree they are in AP? And in the denominator, you have 1, 3, 9, 27. Don't you agree that is in GP? So you have AP and GP going together. You have AP and GP going together. That is why it is called as AGP. Got it? That is why it is called as AGP. Now, how do you solve and find out the sum of an AGP? The sum of an AGP, guys, I want everybody to think about it. Very good, Dhanush. What we do is, we multiply by the common ratio. Can you guys tell me what is the common ratio? Everybody? Can you guys tell me what is the common ratio? I want all of you to think about it. Yes? Very good, Kirito. Fantastic. So the common ratio is 1 by 3. So that is the technique to solve AGP. Always multiply by the common ratio and then subtract. So when I multiply by common ratio, 1 will become 1 by 3, but I will shift it and write it. Now 2 will become 2 by 9. 2 by 3 was there. I multiplied by 1 by 3. So it will become 2 by 9. I will write it here. Now 3 by 9 is here. If I multiply 1 by 3, I will get 3 by 27. Like that it keeps going. Now I will subtract it. So S minus of this will be 2 by 3S. That will be equal to 1 minus 0, 1. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3, which will be 1 by 3. 3 by 9 minus 2 by 9, which will be 1 by 9. And you'll get 1 by 27 and so on. So that is how you get the answer. Now this is an infinite GP. So that I can solve it. So 2 by 3S is equal to 1 plus infinite GP sum is what? A by 1 minus R. So 1 minus R is 1 by 3, right? Are you all clear with it? So I will get 2S by 3 is equal to, what will I have the answer as? Anybody? So 1 by 3, this will be 2 by 3. So I will get 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. So the answer is S is equal to 9 by 4. So someone told me the answer long back. Chaitanya, I guess. Very good. That is absolutely perfect. Okay. Yes, Akshat, of course, man. Karthik, you are right. Chandrasekhar, you are right. Abhi, Babi, I know a little bit. Yash Vakode is right. Srivarshan, fantastic. You guys are all absolutely correct. Okay, fantastic. Did you enjoy it now? Did you guys like it? So AGP, is it that difficult? It is doable, right? Very good, people. Yes, Karthik, I will upload the PDF after the class is over. Okay, very good, Shiva. Fantastic. So people, let us move forward. Karthik, please pull the video back and have a look at it. You can definitely go and look at it again so that you understand it perfectly. Very good, Roni Raj. Brilliant. Now we have a question based on AGP and I want everybody to solve it. It is not exactly an AGP, but it is something similar to the method which I taught you just now. So use that method and then solve it. Guys, this is not exactly an AGP because 1, 2, 7, 12 are not exactly in AGP. But if you start without 1, this will be AGP. Okay. So that is why you can still use the same method. Please do it. You can still use the same method. Please do it. Where are you from? I am from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Sanket says 1. I am not sure. So Sanket is saying that it came in a shift. Okay. So we will solve it together, guys. Don't worry. Very good, very good, very good. You guys are next level, man. Are you sure the value of S is 1, Sanket? I don't think so. Because look at it. No, it's 1 plus something, right? So how can it be 1? I am very sure the answer is not 1. I am very sure the answer is not 1. Guys, please don't remember formula for AGP. no, I am goat. We should not do that. Instead, try solving it. Solving it is better way to do it. Yes, Sanket Srivatsava, I am in Chennai right now, man. So I stay in Chennai for the last 1 year. I've been here only. Thank you, Abhi Babi. I'm so happy you are learning something useful. Where in Chennai? I don't know whether you know of a place called Anna Nagar. It is in Anna Nagar. Okay, so let's try to solve it, guys. Please listen carefully. So the method is first write S. S is 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 7 by 3 square plus 12 by 3 cube all the way up to infinity. Okay, now I will multiply by the common ratio. What is the common ratio? The common ratio is 1 by 3s. So 1 will become 1 by 3 and 2 will become 2 by 3 square. 7 by 3 square will become 7 by 3 cube and so on up to infinity. So now if I subtract it, I'll get 2 by 3s is equal to 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 5 by 3 square plus 5 by 3 cube and all the way up to infinity. So this will be in a geometric progression. So I can say 2 by 3s is equal to 4 by 3. Why? Because I combined these two. 4 by 3 plus, I'll take 5 common. 1 by 3 square is the first term divided by 1 minus 1 by 3. So that is your answer. You guys can solve it. So what will be the answer? 2 by 3s is equal to 4 by 3 plus 5 into 1 by 9 by 2 by 3. Is that correct? So 2 by 3, this will become 3 and it will become 5 by 6. So 2s by 3 is equal to 4 by 3 plus 5 by 6. So 2s by 3 is equal to, you will have 13 by 6. So now you guys can solve it. So this will be 2. S is equal to 13 by 4. So the answer is option A, guys. Are you all clear with it? Jugal, it can't be 1, man. You should have predicted it just by looking at the question. 1 is a very bad answer. You should have predicted it is not 1 just by looking at the question. Okay, so are you all cool with it? Fantastic, guys. I'm so happy you all have understood it. Lionel Messi, what happened, man? Messi didn't score. So let's assist Messi now. Let's assist Messi. So Messi, what do you need? What help do you need? It is very rare that Messi is asking for assist. Okay, how 5 is take common? Because 5 is there in everything, right? 7 minus 2 is 5, 12 minus 7 is 5. Like that, everything, every term from here will give you 5 in the numerator. So I took 5 outside. So if I take 5 outside, I'll have 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 3 cube and so on. So that is a GP, right? So it will be A, which is 1 by 3 square, divided by 1 minus R, which is sum of infinite GP. 1 minus R will be 1 by 3. So 1 minus 1 by 3. Got it? Are you all clear with it? Exactly, Shiva. Pranav Shrirag, welcome, man. So, guys, did I make any mistake? Someone is telling that the answer should be B. I'm not sure. We will check it. What is the answer? Oh, it's A only, man. I did it correctly only. I did it correctly only. A only is the answer. Okay, so Cyrus, please check it out. Maybe you'd have done some mistake in calculation. So I've done the same procedure. We can even go through this. So you see, this is where everybody has a doubt. This step. So this step, what happens? When you subtract, you will get 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 5 by 3 square, 5 by 3 cube. So this I will take it separately. So 1 plus 1 by 3 is what? 1 plus 1 by 3 is 4 by 3. Got it? And 2s by 3 is as such over here. Now here I take 5 common. So if I take 5 common, 5 will be outside. So if 5 is taken common, I'll have what? 1 by 3 square. I'll have 1 by 3 cube all the way up to infinity. So that is a GP, infinite GP. So I'll have 5 into infinite GP summation is A by 1 minus R. So A is nothing but 1 by 3 square divided by 1 minus R is 1 by 3. Are you all clear? Everybody? So that's exactly what I did and I got the answer. Clear? How is R 1 by T? How is R 1 by 3? Because what is constantly being multiplied here? When you have an AGP, you have an AP part and a GP part. The AP part is 2, 7, 12, 17, 22 and so on. That is the AP part. The GP part is 1 by 3, 1 by 3 square, 1 by 3 cube, 1 by 3 power 4, 1 by 3 power 5 and so on. So I hope you all are able to see that the GP part has a common ratio 1 by 3. So that is why I multiply by the common ratio. Got it? So it is a good question. I would not say it is bad. So that is why you guys should learn how to solve AGP questions. Very good, Lionel, Messi, fantastic. So yeah, with that we will proceed further, guys. Come on, let's move forward, which is coming to sigma operation. So sigma operation, I hope everybody remembers this. Can we use this to solve the question? Please note it down first, everybody. Please note it down first. Everybody do it fast. How to guess the answer? Sanket is asking and a lot of others are asking. Sanket, I told you that since the sum is 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 7 by 3 square, it cannot be equal to 1. It cannot be equal to 1. Okay. It is not iota Sakshi, it is sigma I, where I is equal to 1 to n. So Sakshi, sigma I, where I is equal to 1 to n means it is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 3 till n. That is the expansion, Sakshi. It is just a shorthand notation. So I takes 1 first, then plus 2 plus 3 all the way up to n. That is the shorthand notation for this summation. Got it? Everybody clear with it? Tornado, please solve it, man. See guys, that is why I tell you, please come with a pen and paper. Don't just listen. It is not like listening to a song. Okay? It is not like listening to a song. Suddenly you will be like, sir, lyrics is not clear, sir. Can you please repeat it? It is not like that. You have to solve it, na? You have to do it along with me. Only then you will follow. Getting it? Otherwise, you will keep asking doubts. And this is the slowest I have been. This is very slow. We didn't complete almost half the class I prepared for. Okay? So try to follow, try to be serious. And please try to take your pen and paper. Solve it along with me. When you solve it only, you will know how 16 by 6 came. If you just listen to me orally, then I will only become better at solving. You will remain the same. Because I'll tell you one more thing. When I solve it, it will look very easy. Because you will be in your bean bag. You will be watching it like this. And you will feel, oh, this is an easy question, Laddu. But guys, when you solve it on your own, you will see how difficult it is. Okay? So that is why I'm telling you, always when you listen to my lecture, come with a pen and paper. Okay? So let's go forward. So please try to solve this, everybody. No problem. I am a goat. I'm not telling you alone or anybody alone. I'm not telling any specific person. I'm just telling in general. I want everybody to come with a pen and a paper so that you can always solve it better. Got it? Very good. Fantastic. So people, shall we solve it? Everybody? So Chaitanya, I am sure everybody who said 210, that is wrong. Everybody who said 210, that's wrong. Every single time people make this mistake. Every time people make this mistake. Okay, I'll correct it. Please listen carefully. So first of all, what is this summation? This summation is k into k plus 1 by 2. Then that we should sum from k equal to 1 to 2 or 1 to 20. So this will be 1 by 2 sigma k equal to 1 to 20 k square plus k. So sigma k square from 1 to 20 will be what? It will be 20 into 21 into 41 by 6 plus sigma k from 1 to 20 will be 20 into 21 by 2, and you have a 1 by 2 outside. So this is the way you solve it. I hope you're all clear with it. Okay, so now you can cancel it. 3 2s are 3 7s, and this will be 10 times. So this will be again 10 times. So the answer is half 70 into 41 plus 210. So that will be 820, right? Is that correct? So 70 into 41 by 2 plus 210 by 2. So you guys can calculate that. Please do it. Everybody clear with it? 1540. I think 1540 is absolutely right. Okay. So this summation will be 3080 by 2. So that will be 1540. You guys are right. That is the answer. Every time I give this question, everybody will tell 210 is the answer. Initially, all the students will tell 210 because you guys only summed up this and you did not sum it up again. Okay. So you should be careful. You should be careful. Are you all okay with it? Shall we move forward? So that's about it. Now, this is an interesting question. This is the so-called VN method. Exactly, Dhanush. I thought this question already, the previous one. So this is the VN method or the method of differences. Everybody please try to solve it. And once you guys are done trying, we will discuss it. Okay? Please go for it, guys. Come on. I want everybody to try it out. Very good. I am a goat. That is awesome. What about the others? Fantastic. Abhishek, that is right, Abhishek. So now, what is the answer for this question? Don't worry, Dhanush. I will help you. I will understand how the others are performing. Let's have a look. First, let's wait for the others. Jayant says he has got it. Shreyas says he did not know VN method. Thank you, Shrikar. I'm so happy you are liking it, man. Okay, so let's try to solve it, guys. Come on. Very good, Vivek. So first of all, can I write the general term of this as r equal to 1 to 100? Can I say it is 1 by 2r plus 1 square minus 1 square? Did you get it? This is the beauty of observation. Okay, this is the beauty of observation. Did you all like it? This is the first thing you do. You simplify a very big expression into a single one with sigma notation. Got it? Everybody is cool with it? Now I can write this as a square minus b square. So I can write it as a plus b into a minus b. So a minus b will be what? 2r. And sigma will be there from r equal to 1 to 100. Everybody clear with this? I didn't do anything great. A square minus b square is there. I wrote a plus b, which is 2r plus 1, which is 2r plus 2. And a minus b will be 2r plus 1 minus 1, which will be 2r. Are you all clear with it? I just used a square minus b square formula, Nirmal. Now 2 is common. 2 is common. So can I take 1 by 4 outside? So it will be r equal to 1 to 100. It will be 1 by r plus 1 into r. Is that okay, my dear children? Are all of you comfortable with this? Everybody? So it will be 1 by 4 times sigma r equal to 1 to 100, 1 by r plus 1 into r. Everybody fine with it? Very good guys, amazing. Now 1 by r into r plus 1, I can write it as, this numerator 1, I can write it as r plus 1 minus r divided by r into r plus 1. So I can write it as 1 by r minus 1 by r plus 1. So because of that, I can write this as 1 by 4 sigma r equal to 1 to 100. I can write it as 1 by r minus 1 by r plus 1. So this is how we write it. Okay? Everybody cool with it? So that is how we do it. I hope you guys are all following. Fantastic job guys. Brilliant work. Everybody cool with it? Yes? Kirtan says B. Kirtan, you are absolutely right, Kirtan. Sunny 70, Sandeep. Very good, Sandeep. You are right. Fantastic, Lionel Messi. Very good. Perfect, perfect. You guys are brilliant. So, Nirmal, what I did was, I did a square minus b square, Nirmal. I want you to revise the formula. Only if you know what is a square minus b square, you will understand it. If you don't know that, that is difficult, man. How can I explain a square minus b square now? Okay, you're supposed to know that. You learnt it in 10th standard, right? So, please revise your formulas. If you don't know that, then it's difficult for me to explain. I have to go down to 7th and 8th level. Got it? So, please revise your formulas and come, guys. So, I did a square minus b square formula. Then 2 is common, Nirmal. 2 is common, right? So here I take 1, 2 outside. Here I take 1, 2 outside. So 1 by 4 will be taken. Got it? That's it. And then we'll have r plus 1 into r. Now that r plus 1 into r, I wrote it over here and I simplified it. 1 by r into r plus 1 can be simplified as 1 by r minus 1 by r plus 1. That's exactly what I have given here. Praveshini, I will start Pathfinder series the coming week, the next week, because right now I am doing trigonometry, right? Once trigonometry is over, I will start Pathfinder series for 12th standard. How to get option B? So till here, did you all understand it? Because I don't have space, I'm going to erase some of the things. So till here, everybody got it? Are you all cool with that? Yes, Dhanush, that's it. So this is so-called VN method. One of the VN method. There are many applications. So don't worry about it. We will try to cover when I talk about Killer 5 session. Sandeep, for JEE Advanced, I will start off with Killer 5 series. Okay. Fantastic. Sai Manideep, welcome man. Long time. So guys, what did we have? We had 1 by 4, right? We had 1 by 4 times of sigma r equal to 1 to 100, 1 by r minus 1 by r plus 1. Is that clear? Now, I will substitute r inside. So, it will be 1 by 4 times. If I put r equal to 1, it will be 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2. If I put r equal to 2, it will be 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. If I put r equal to 3, it will be 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. Like that, r equal to 100 will be 1 by 100 minus 1 by 101. So this is the power of VN method. So everything will get cancelled, leaving only the first term and the last term. So the answer is 1 by 4 times of 1 minus 1 by 101. So which will be 101 minus 1 by 101, which will be option B. So option B is the correct answer. That is how you do it. Are you all clear with that? Everybody? Yes? Fantastic guys. Superb. So this is how you solve it. I hope you liked it. Someone asked me how to get 25 by 101. I hope now you got it. Okay. So let's proceed. Let's go to the one final category which I want to explain, which is using tan inverse formula. Everybody knows what is tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y. Isn't it right, guys? Hello, Rowdy baby, welcome. Hello, Srijit, welcome, man. So nice to see all of you guys. Welcome, people. So please tell me if you guys are all okay with this particular formula. Tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. Now using that, I'm going to give you a question. Please try to solve it. Hare Krishna Hare Rama is asking how to calculate number of terms. So it starts with 3 square minus 1 Hare Rama Hare Krishna, and finally it ends with 201 square minus 1. So this is 2 into 1 plus 1, right? 3 is nothing but 2 into 1 plus 1. And 201 is nothing but 2 into 100 plus 1. So your R starts from 1, goes to 100. So there are 100 terms. That is how I understood. Got it? Nirmal, I hope you are following, Nirmal. Please go through them again. If you have doubt, Nirmal, message me personally over here. I will help you, okay? Message me personally over here. I will definitely help you. Whatever doubts you have. Now this is a good question, guys. This is a nice category of questions. I am sure you will get one from this. I am sure you will get one question from this because I will tell you why. In February attempt, one question came. In March attempt also one question came. So I am very sure in April also one question will come from this. Hello Kavya. Hello Nitya Devi. Welcome guys. Very nice to see all of you. So let me solve it for you. So what is the general term? Can I say the general term is summation? I can say R is equal to 1 to n tan inverse of x divided by 1 plus R into R plus 1 x square. Is that okay? Do you all agree this is the general term? Whenever a series question is given, this is called as a series question. You are supposed to find sum of the series. Whenever sum of a series question is given, the first thing you guys need to do is find out the general term. Everybody clear with it? Hello Vishruta, Shemion, welcome. Now let's finish it off. So I can write this as tan inverse of x divided by 1 plus, I can write it as r plus 1x into rx. Is that okay? Are you all fine with that? Are you all fine with that, everybody? So I just distributed 1x to r, 1x to r plus 1. That's it. Now what I will do is, I will write the numerator as, numerator x is there, no? I will write it as r plus 1x minus rx. Don't you think this subtraction is x only? So I can do that. I am just writing x as r plus 1x minus rx. That's totally fine. We can do that. Now comes the beauty. What is the beauty? The beauty is tan inverse of a minus b divided by 1 plus tan a tan b. So we have tan inverse of a minus b by 1 plus ab. So because we have tan inverse of a minus b by 1 plus ab, I can split it as tan inverse of a minus tan inverse of b. So that is my answer, r equal to 1 to n. Now expand it. This is Vn method. I express a complicated one as a simple difference. That's it. Now expand it. If I expand it, what will I get? If I expand it, what will I get? First r is equal to 1. So I'll get tan inverse of 2x minus tan inverse of x. Then what will I get if I put r equal to 2? I'll get tan inverse of 3x minus tan inverse of 2x. Like that all the way up to n. So I'll get tan inverse of n plus 1x minus tan inverse of nx. So what is getting cancelled? First and this. This and this will get cancelled. So what is the final answer? The final answer is tan inverse of n plus 1x minus tan inverse of x. So which is option A? Option A is the right answer. I hope you guys have all got it. Manipulation means changing it. Changing something. So I was changing it in such a way that I brought a very nice difference as summation. Got it? That is how you solve it. I am so happy you guys have understood it. So with that, we will probably conclude the class and you guys can go prepare for your upcoming exams. Got it? So people, I hope you enjoyed the session. Today we did a lot of good things. Definitely Vishruta, we will for sure. Thank you Vignesh. Zero to Hero series. Tomorrow I have matrices and determinants. Day after tomorrow I will do complex numbers. Tomorrow again most expected questions I will do algebra. Thursday most expected questions I will do vectors and 3D. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow it is gonna be epic. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow it is gonna be epic. So please don't fail to attend. Okay, first we'll take these 2 days and we will try to do our best. Got it? Now, for those who want to increase your percentile, this is your last chance because the crash course at Vedantu started yesterday. So yesterday, April 5th, we had a wonderful crash course started and I'll also be taking a few chapters in that. In case you want to be a part of it, sir, I want to improve my rank. I want to get 40 percentile to 90 percentile, 60 percentile to 90, 85 to 95. Everything is possible. I have given the link in the chat. You guys can use it. Yes, Abhishek, you can use substitution, but I am teaching you the proper method, right? So that is why I did not say that. The link to join the crash course is given there. I am a goat. I would say if you are 79 percentile, first improve your percentile to a better one. Yes, Sandeep, I will teach a few chapters, not all the chapters. Okay. So you will have doubt solving, you will have exam strategy, you will have mock test and practice papers, everything as part of this crash course. And if you want to be inside an all India level test series, sir, I want to know where I stand. I want to write JEE Mains level examination so that I get used to the exam. I get exam temperament. That is also there in the crash course. All of this for a price of 6,000. All of this for a price of 6,000. You get math, physics, chemistry, test series, assignments and notes. All these 6 things for just 6,000 rupees for next 2 months. I would say please go for it. Yes, Sandeep, please make use of this because the teachers in that crash course are very good. I can vouch for that because I personally teach in that course and I know the set of teachers, they are the best ones for JEE Mains to help you improve your percentile. The link of this course is in the chat. I will ask the person to share it again, and in the video description, Satvik, below this video in the description also you will find the link. You just click on that link. Use my coupon code because the original price is 10,000 rupees. Because Vedantu wants to reach out to everybody, there is a special discount. By using this coupon code, you will get 40% offer. Yes, Vishwa, the crash course is in English. Okay, so you will get 40% off, which will be for 6,000 rupees. Go for it because the batch started yesterday only. The batch started yesterday only, so make use of this feature. If you have any question, sir, I want to know more about it, you can message me here. Shimon_Joseph, that is my Instagram ID, that is my Telegram ID. Okay, that is my Instagram ID and also my Telegram ID. You guys can message me over there. Got it? Satyam Singh, I am from Chennai, man. I unfortunately don't speak Hindi well. Okay, so that is why I speak in English. This is the Telegram group for our channel, We Enthuse. And guys, this is the most important slide. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay, I'm sure you enjoyed the session. You have many more sessions coming up. Shreyas sir is coming up with a fantastic class today for the 12th standard students who are moving to 12th. And the topic is electrostatics. So that will be at 9 o'clock. Please do make a note of it and be there on time. Sandeep, Wasim sir is not well, man. He had COVID positive recently. Thank you, Sahil, Ramzan. You guys are all fantastic. So the schedule for tomorrow is matrices and determinants and most expected questions of algebra. Tomorrow. Day after tomorrow, Thursday, I will do most expected questions 3D and vectors and 0 to hero series of complex numbers. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow are gonna be epic. Epic is the right word. So don't fail to attend. Brilliant. So guys, with that we will end the session. Take care. All the very best and meet you again tomorrow. Till then, keep working hard. Bye-bye. Take care.